Hey, welcome to the second video. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how I use Perplexity for making a 2 months roadmap from to shift from manual to automation QA, or should what should I do for this purpose, and how can we make plan from Perplexity, and how it is different from the ChatGPT plan, and which one is more effective. And I will also tell you a bit about the GitHub, why it is necessary for QA, and in the next videos I will show you how you can use GitHub and what is GitHub, and means I will tell you the details about the GitHub for the QAs. So let's start from the Perplexity. I just log in Perplexity, and I use the free account. And in this free account, they tell us that we can only send three prompts to Perplexity for the detailed research based answers in a day. So I try to use it very thoughtfully. So I created a detailed prompt, like I told my history. I write in the history. I write in the prompt that I'm a 8 years QA with manual experience, and I have no experience for automation yet, and I really want to learn automation in the next 2 months. And what other plans, what other tools that I can learn in this process to master the automation. And even I want to use the generative AI, Gen AI, in automation QAs, because it is really necessary to obviously to be in the market. So the Perplexity gives me this roadmap. This is a 2 month roadmap, and basically as it's already showing that it's a transition from manual QA to automation QA and AI driven testing. So this is a comprehensive roadmap for 2025, and it contains all these topics that will cover in the next 2 months. So generative AI transformative roles like NLP. What is NLP? The natural language processing. Basically, the ChatGPT is also a natural language processing, and it's using this NLP language. So the tools like Test Rigor, something I think its name is Test Rigor. So Test Rigor allows test scripting in plain English. Like we are already doing this, that we just give a prompt in English to ChatGPT or even Perplexity, and we can write code with the help of Perplexity and ChatGPT. But obviously, it needs more skills for the prompt engineering. So you need to obviously you need to make your prompts more solid and more authentic to get the best results from the Perplexity and ChatGPT. So it also tells us that we need to work on our foundation skills. Obviously, if we want to master in automation, so we need to learn or revise our basic concepts, basic programming concepts like basic OOP concepts, and basic syntax, etc. For example, if we want to learn the JavaScript or TypeScript, for example, for the automation language, if we choose this language, so we need to learn its syntax and its classes, objects, and also, so basically we need to learn all the basics for the language. So obviously the concepts, the inheritance, polymorphism, classes, which we obviously studied in university. So it also includes the web testing tools like Selenium WebDriver for the web testing, and APM for the mobile testing, and for the API testing, it mentions Postman and Rest Assured, but I will go with the Postman because I had already worked on Postman in my previous company. So as you can see that the top generative power testing platforms it mentions are Test Rigor, Test Sigma, and Digital AI Continuous Testing, Mabel, I think, and Functionize, etc. So if you can see that the implementing generative AI in workflows that test data generation, basically we can give prompts. Again, I'm saying this, that we can give prompts to Perplexity and even ChatGPT to get the perfect code or perfect test cases in the written in the, obviously, in any language, in TypeScript or JavaScript for automation. So basically, generative AI can help us to write test code. Or to write test cases or test suits to make test suits for our automation. And basically, Gen AI can help us to automate our obviously test cases. So basically, automation can help manual testers to work more efficiently. And now generative AI can help us to automate more automatically. So I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, this is how it is. So okay. So as you can see that in the phase one, basically it's integrated 2 month learning plan, and phase one core automation skills, basic programming or web automation, mobile API automation tools, framework development, and phase two is AI integration, weeks 5 to 8, Gen AI tools explanation like test reward, and advanced AI techniques. And then I asked that how I can leverage generative AI tools to enhance my QA testing skills. So it obviously Perplexity give me a detailed answer that the integration of the generative AI into my QA testing represents obviously that is represents a very you can say that a very okay, let's forget it. Okay, so we can use GitHub Copilot and okay, we can use JMeter plus Gen AI plugins also. And I think video is going so lengthy, so I should limit this for now. Okay, then I will show you the chat GPT version. So the same prompt I gave in Perplexity, I gave here also in the chat GPT. And as you can see, that there is major difference in chat GPT response and the Perplexity response. And I like the Perplexity response more because it gives the detailed answer, research based answer. And the chat GPT gives just a simple, you can say that it gives a simple plan, like understanding the landscape where QA is headed. And he just told that, the chat GPT just told that we need to learn automation first and API database testing, CI/CD, and DevOps awareness and generative AI and matlab no code QA tools it contains it should have. And it just told it just reply the basic version of phase 1 week 1 to 1 build strong foundation means ChatGPT response is quite basic, and Perplexity response is quite detailed version and more authentic version. So I will go for the Perplexity plan, and I will show you in the next video that from where I'm going to start and what I will learn. I will show you step by step, inshallah.